Welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My lovely fans, congratulations to me, Edochie. Congratulations to me, Edochie. If it happens, say, what happen to me, Edochie? If it happens to me, for example, say I go through the kind situation when me, Edochie, went through. Do you know what I will do? I will not listen to any therapist. I no go therapist. I no go listen to anybody. I no complain give anybody. I'll just go me Edochie page. Go dey take every advice when I want from there. Follow a step to upgrade and rebuild myself. A lot of people don't know that May Edochie is a light inside darkness. May Edochie is a big inspiration to many women. Many women wey don't go through wetin May Edochie go through. Most of them are using a lifestyle to upgrade. This picture wey they see for here, so May Edochie can't take this picture. He can't post am. When May Edochie post this picture, many people say na Ajah mansion. Say May Edochie don't upgrade Ajah mansion after he use broom sweep Yul Edochie bad luck and setback from her life. My people, this is not Ajah mansion, no. Not be Ajah mansion. When I say congratulations, you suppose know say not be Ajah mansion. This is May Edochie house for Lagos. The house where they say May Edochie dey build for Lagos, the mansion, she don't finish am. She don't finish am patapata. Pastor, Reverend Father don't go there, go bless the house. May Edochie not post am for social media. She carry her friends, her close friends together. They silently, calmly, patiently open the house. 2 years, no year, no noise, nothing. She just opened her house in peace. While she has opened this house, she still dey Ajah mansion. Because moving from Ajah mansion directly to this house will draw the attention of enemy. She's still in Ajah mansion. But this is not Ajah mansion. This is May Edochie mansion for Lagos when she don't finish. The house don't complete, it don't finish. Congratulations, May Edochie. You are a light in the life of many women in darkness. And any woman will follow May Edochie footstep, you not go regret her. You see the way she build herself. You see the way she upgrade. Her house now for Lagos, it don't finish. After May Edochie posted this picture, Yul Edochie know very well say this is not Ajah mansion. He stay there now, even if they redo the house. He knows say no be Ajah mansion. Yul Edochie come begin they ask question. They ask everybody. Yul Edochie come become restless after he see this May Edochie picture. Because he knows say no be Ajah mansion. He was confused. He started asking people questions about this mansion. Remember, nobody will check on you pass your enemy. Your enemy is the person that is always checking on you. They won't see whether the person is successful, whether a life better or a life bend like Nigeria economic, which they wish for. Because as Yul Edochie dey so, wetin you won't just hear say, May Edochie enemy, not the rain again, don't fall. Now, of course, at that time, you can't come out. They'll come start part 2 is marriage of 4. May they take pepper the woman. But it's a kind of shock to them that the more they try, the more God uplifts May Edochie. May Edochie did not just build a house, she built a mansion. A house better than the one she built when she was under Yul Edochie's roof. Hey! Now so woman take the upgrade. Now so God take the blessed person. It is not by her power, but the power of God. Yul Edochie became restless. For his mind and his spirit, he knows he not be Ajah mansion. This man became restless. e come dey ask A, ask B, ask C, ask D. They find out what is going on until e come really get wetin dey find. Person come tell am say na May Edochie house for Lagos, her new house. She don finish am. She don't, no be only the outside, the inside she don't finish am. She just took this picture. For those that know, they know wetin dey. So when Yul Edochie come here, say May Edochie don finish her house. The person wey carry go tell Yul Edochie, e be like say the person he just won't buy Yul Edochie. Now the person come dey tell Yul Edochie, say Yul Edochie, as it is now, just continue with Judy Austin. Because no even think say na May Edochie now you won't go meet o. May Edochie no dey your grade again. E no dey your grade. The level where May Edochie dey now, if you see her, you'll say auntie good morning. They greet her auntie. You'll say yes ma. If he talk to you, you'll say yes ma. Now the stage when he can't be that. Now Yul Edochie say for what? What did they bring that leg? Now the person tell Yul Edochie say put pride for ground. You no reach May Edochie slippers again. You don't see mansion where May Edochie build. Hey, little corner. This place where show na so now where they read book. You just go there, you carry book, you relax, or you just put music, you just lie down, you relax, you be enjoy yourself. AC go they blow you. You get her, Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie, you get her. The person can't tell Yul Edochie say, so you want to, now the person tell her, say Yul Edochie, if you see May Edochie, respect her. May Edochie don't overpass you. Over. Accept it. Accept it. And continue with Judy Austin. Because if you leave Judy Austin, you no go see another woman wey go shout, he see Miri Jofo follow you. E no dey. Another mumu like Judy Austin no dey. Now only Judy Austin mumu wey dey shout, he see Miri Jofo follow ma. Women of these days no dey shout am. Just dey there with Judy Austin. That it come pain Yul Edochie. The thing pain her. As he take hear the news, he no hear the news in a good way. They mock am join her. They mock am. He no reach to mock. This is a woman when they won't bring down. This is a woman when they won't tear into pieces. They wanted her to regret not accepting Judy Austin. They wanted her to regret leaving Yul Edochie and signing in for a divorce. But unfortunately, that woman where they won't break, where they won't pieces, God lifted her. Hey, higher, 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 Jesus, higher, higher above Yul Edochie and Judy Austin put together. Now see the level of May Edochie. Yul Edochie dey for Abuja for rent. Remember now Yul Edochie fair go Abuja o. Now he fair go Abuja for this social media. When we dey so, we no hear word when Yul Edochie and Judy Austin enter Abuja. Now so that they shout, Abuja here I come. Abuja here I come. We come dey ask question. Yul Edochie, are you in Canada? Now Abuja you go. Now you not let us hear word. Abuja here I come. They not let us hear word. Not knowing say na 2-bedroom flat. Now they go rent for Abuja. That same Abuja where they tell us so May Edochie get us for Abuja. You think this woman is playing? You think this woman is joking? Our own revenge is a revenge of success. May Edochie get us for Abuja. And now Yul Edochie first enter Abuja. May Edochie don't get house for Abuja. Yul Edochie still there for rent. And you want this man to be happy. The person where still carry news, go give Yul Edochie say May Edochie don't finish her house for Lagos. And so the person carry a petition, give Yul Edochie on top. Yul Edochie look up, look ground. He look and say, true. He no reach May Edochie. Before, talk less of now. Yul Edochie na person where May Edochie dey upgrade. Upgrade am. May Edochie na dey upgrade am. Yul Edochie have nothing of what is happening in Lagos. He don't get connection. He don't know anybody. May Edochie was born and brought up in Lagos. Our connections in Lagos did not start because she left her marriage. She's already somebody that is popular there in Lagos. She was born and brought up there. So many connections about those people in Lagos, she have it already. And she was the one putting Efulefu una ato through. When una ato think say he don't make am, whereas he never go anywhere. So Yul Edochie know that even before May Edochie divorce him, May Edochie is bigger than him. So when this man say, all these things for one woman, because they tell Yul Edochie, say if you see the gate of May Edochie, he go walk tire for Nollywood, he cannot buy that gate. He no go fit buy am. You see the kind revenge when May Edochie revenge. The best revenge so far you can give to a man. Yul Edochie where he dey now, this man won't buy. Shame and disgrace on him. Shame and disgrace. Now they chop him up. The way God he lift May Edochie high. And she's also a very hardworking woman. Shame don't hold on her at all. He still there for rent. May Edochie they build houses. Remember, Enugu on is going on. Enugu on, they go on. They say jealousy won't buy una at all. He don't know how to attack this woman again. Because May Edochie they show her success publicly. She know they follow backyard, go the waka any akburukere waka. Just the name where they wanted to give her. If to say May Edochie they do burukere waka, una for don't hear for this social media. You see Yul Edochie they follow May Edochie for Bumble. If they follow her for Nyash, they go. He won't know everything when May Edochie they do. Any mistake, make it for come outside, say attack May Edochie. All the names where they call this woman, everything where they talk about this woman, all the names when Yul Edochie and Judy Austin call this woman, say she's sleeping around, she have boyfriend. Till today, no evidence. But instead, this woman is doing successfully in everything she puts her hand. Shame don't cash on her door. Shame don't cash her. If fellow men now they tell and say, Yul Edochie, your head na bad luck. Your head na bad luck. Now waiting people, now waiting Yul Edochie friends they tell her. Say they forbid make a woman leave them. Make the woman come day successful like this. That means their head they smell. Thank God say people eyes don't they clear. Thank God say people they don't they see road. They tell Yul Edochie, say Yul Edochie, your head they smell bad luck. See your wife. Her success is hitting hard. This woman just leave you for how many years? See the way she rise. You na demon. Now waiting that they tell Yul Edochie. Jealousy won't stick by this man for where they. Jealousy. Now make her they cry. Hey, want come and share business with me. Come and give me my business. Come and give me my money. Money will not work for. Money will not work for. If to say May Edochie buy the land of this house when he's still married to Yul Edochie for those say na 12 the 9 buyer. If although they tell people say na 12 they build the house. But this whole house of a thing was after the divorce. Just imagine, after the divorce, May Edochie went to build her life. Yul Edochie was busy dancing, busy giving birth to children every year. And they were mocking this woman. They not say this woman plan, he passed their own. Who is not the loser and who is not the winner? This one, how they call who laugh last, laugh best. Congratulations to May Edochie. She don't scatter everywhere. Every other people that are close to her, they open mouth for ground. They are still shocked for the house where May Edochie built. See her little corner, space to enjoy yourself. She never show on the house. And the surprising thing about it is that May Edochie is still the owner of Ajah and she built this house. Congratulations to May Edochie. Now she still get Ajah. Now she still get this one. Now she still get Abuja. Enugu they go on. How can a woman be so successful after marriage scatter? That is to tell you, say God personally take his own handkerchief, clean May Edochie tears. carry his own anointing oil wey take dey anoint Jesus Christ, put am for May Edochie head. The success is hot. The success is hot. Nobody fit bring May Edochie down. Anybody wey dey fight this woman is fighting with God. They say shame don catch una heart. People dey tell am say Yul Edochie na wow. Thank God say May Edochie leave you. If not, this woman for still dey Ajah mansion for there. They say people dey tell Yul Edochie say Yul Edochie thank God say May Edochie leave you. This one not be wetin dem dey hide. Dem dey tell am to his face. E get a woman go dey successful reach. They will start saying these things in the face of the person. Then they tell Yul Edochie say thank God say May Edochie leave you. By this time now, she and Judy Austin, therefore they drag Ajah mansion. No, I'm the one that will go to the kitchen. No, I will come to the kitchen. See how God bless her. Bless her. They lift her up, and you are going down. That means you are the bad head. You are the bad luck. Do you know what it means to tell somebody that word? Hey, congratulations, my queen. This house is not Ajah mansion. Now, May Edochie house for Lagos. It don't complete. Inside and outside. And yet, this woman coded it. Nobody here. If now the Judy Austin and Yul Edochie, therefore don't tell us say something is going to happen on the 26th. Watch out what is going to happen on the 26th. Everywhere is going to be hot. Empty vessels make the loudest noise. People wey carry things, they know they show off. They know they make noise. Just look at May Edochie. Silently, she's building mansions. While Yul Edochie, loudspeaker, is making nothing. My lovely fans, this is Omero TV. God bless you.